I'll annoy you too, baby. Oh man,
oh, it smells so good.
Oh.
5-second roll?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's what
With something like that. Oh, and I got a trophy of yours.
I like how I'm talking about eating something. What?
No, that was the
Spelling bee?
shit.
No, it was something.
It's been raining off and on today, but we have a clearing and it's nice and warm again. Clouds are sparse, blue skies. For the seafood boil, we're going to have our big pot set up to cook all of our seafood. We've got our table set up outside, tablecloths, and folks can just gather around and pick up what they want to eat. We got some hors d'oeuvres here, pork rinds. Lots of napkins and bowls. And our tableware. We've got these plastic tables covered in butcher paper. So when folks finish eating, all they have to do is pull the butcher paper off and rinse the trays, and we're good to go for the next one. The coolers are all iced. We've got some onions, some veggies, lemons, which are going to go in the boil. And underneath all this ice, we've got our seafood, or some of it. We're prepping some mushrooms. They are going to go in our big pot. You take those shrimp shells and boil them up and just filter it out for the broth.
Exactamundo.
And go with that. You said it's beef sausage?
Mm-hmm.
Potatoes.
In a few minutes, I'll add some corn and mushrooms.
So the stuff that goes in first are the things that take the longest to cook.
The beef sausage was still a little frozen.
Need smell-o-vision. That stuff smells so good.
Mushrooms.
Go ahead.
Mushrooms, get that stuff.
You got potatoes in there? You put potatoes in there?
That's all I want.
Potatoes?
Vegetables, mushrooms, lemons, thyme. The niblets of the niblet corn.
Ghetto cobs.
Yep. Get the ghetto riblets.
Had to put some more water in it. The mushrooms are soaked.
So those bags can handle that heat, huh?
I'll test it out. Put some scorching hot water in and lift it. There's one. Easy cleanup.
Easy cleanup. And you won't stain your cooler. It also makes it easy when you put it on the table. You just take the bag and
Dump it up.
dump it up.
That's a lot of stuff down there.
Got a lot of people to feed today. In go the crawfish. Snow crab legs. How many pounds is that? 10 pounds of snow crab legs.
How many pounds of
I can't remember. I think it was, each of those was 5 pounds of crawfish or 10 pounds each. I think it was, I don't remember. Let's just call it a big bag of crawfish.
We put the shrimp in the other bag of crawfish later.
Okay.
Let them hang out. Mud bugs. Here we go.
Here we go. Waiting for this to come back up to a boil.
Close it.
Let me clean it off first.
Slam the lid. California.
Thank you so much for inviting me. That was very nice of you.
We're adding the shrimp. Does it show on there how much that weighs so we know how much that is? Is it 5 pounds or 10 pounds on the other label?
Size 16, 20, 5 pounds.
Okay. Here go the crawfish.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, we did lobster fest in May, so I bought a bunch of these for my parents.
So like I said, you like stretching right now, like pressing, you know.
Bottle you read it within.
Only you would figure that out.
I was going on the table.
And there it is. That's the shrimp and crawfish.
Oh, lovely. Booyah!
And action.
And now we got the snow crab and more crawfish going in.
Oh, it smells good.
No, go ahead. Get rid of it. We get ready to eat.
What's wrong, player?
Now we got another one with the corn and the sausage.
Oh, yeah.
Natalie, corn and sausage.
I was like, that was a lot, but it going half of it.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be short on food.
Nat, Nat, you did the cayenne just right.
That's why I see the business comes in.
Now we got the corn, mushrooms, beef sausage.
I stayed up all night, man.
You did not.
Oh, we're losing stuff.
Roast sausage.
That's what I'm saying.
I'll be no waste of food, baby.
Oh, it smells so good.
5-second rule.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's like,
With something not good.
yeah.
Oh, and I got a trophy of yours.
She doesn't know how to eat a crawfish.
Crawfish?
You figure it out.
It got quiet out here, so on video, nobody's saying anything.
How do you eat crawfish? I never had one.
I didn't. There you go.
Beans, man.
Maybe if I didn't take it, break it at the tail. That's the head. Also, I didn't.
This is my plate.
So here's a loaf.
Oh, there is?
Spoon.
Oh, thank you. I thought I'd try to eat.